We are in Osaka Prefecture now. Right now, we are heading to Shimizu Onsen in Wakayama Prefecture. It will take around 2 hours from here by motorbike. Onsen means hot spring in Japanese. There is nice onsen hot spring in the nature in Shimizu Onsen. Also, they have healthy vegetarian food all made by yam and one of the most scary bridge in Wakayama Prefecture. Recently, the temperature getting warmer day by day. Today's temperature is 21 degrees. However, in the mountain, it's a bit cooler, so I wear a heavy jacket today. Oh, look at that! It's nice koinobori. Koinobori means carp streamer in Japanese. It's popular to display it for the Children's Day, but recently we don't see many houses have it in the big city. It's really nice to see Japanese tradition in the countryside. By the way, this tiny street is not one-way street. There are many streets like this in the countryside. So this is the reason why big cars are not that popular in Japan. I was born and raised in Osaka, Japan, which is a big city. Still, there are many parks in Osaka, but we didn't have mountain nature like this in my neighbor. So whenever I watched the Studio Ghibli's anime such as Tonari no Totoro, I was always dreaming the day that I can live in the countryside. Now I grew up, but I haven't made my dream come true yet. Maybe I should live in countryside for a while. This is the very long tunnel. Inside the tunnel, it's really cold. Feels like I'm in the refrigerator. It's cold in summer too, so whenever I drive motorbike in mountain area, even summer, I always bring jacket. After past the tunnel, the road gets more narrow. There is traffic light in mountain too. Due to the super narrow road that only one car can drive. It was really bumpy, so really hard to drive the big scooter. Definitely, I don't want to drive here in the night time. Hey guys, welcome to Ryan's TV. I'm Ryan Seno. Go! Oh my goodness, look at this place! It's really beautiful, loving it! Well, the restaurant and the onsen is almost there, so let's keep driving. Let's go! Due to the very slow driving, it took me 3 hours to get here, but Shimizu Onsen is almost there, so let's keep driving. Here we go, this is the entrance of Shimizu Onsen. Seems like we need to go up this hill, so let's go. After go up the hill, finally I found the entrance of Shimizu Onsen. Can't believe myself, it was closed. I should have checked it. So make sure to check it before you visit here. But it's okay. Anyway, I can't shoot the video inside the onsen and I'm super hungry now. So let's go to the restaurant Asagiri. They have their special Konjac Zen. Yes, finally arrived here. It's really peaceful place. Anyway, let's go eat. I'm hungry. Let's go. It's a really peaceful area, and since onsen is closed, really few people are here. I am really lucky. They also have ryokan, which is traditional Japanese style hotel. It must be nice staying here. This is the restaurant. You can eat it inside the restaurant. But I decided to eat it outside since it was a beautiful day. The sound of birds and the school chime. It's a perfect place to eat lunch. So I have ordered a Konjac Zen. Well, the price is 1,500 Japanese yen. To be honest, I think it's a bit expensive. However, since I came here, I need to eat something special. So let's wait.
天ぷら用の
はい。
しそ巻き天ぷらつきますんで。
あー、なるほど。はい。
味噌汁とお茶とお茶ここ置いてきます、ね。
はい、すいません。ありがとうございます。いただきます。Alright, so here we go. Yes, there are so many kinds of konjac. Wow. This is Konjac Zen. They only serve 5 plates per day, so you'd better reserve it if you come here for this dish. Pretty much all of them. It's my first time to try that. I'm so excited to eat it. Let's try. So this one is konjac tempura. By the way, konjac is a yam cake in Japanese. It's really popular dish in Japan. You can find it in sukiyaki too. Oishii. And this tempura, konjac with shiso leaves and cheese. I always love the shiso flavored tempura. And then with konjac, so good. It was my first time to try that. Really crispy, yummy. And this dish comes with miso soup. And this is konjac salad. Salad dressing really good with konjac. And she told me this is a nimono style. It is stewed and there is a yuzu citrus inside, so the flavor, loving it. So how about this one? Konjac with yomogi. Probably I should use this sashimi shoyu. Let me try it again. It is really soft, feels like I'm eating sashimi. And this one with yuzu citrus. Very strong yuzu citrus flavor. It's good. And let me see, what is this? Oh. So far, I like this one the best. There is a yuzu citrus inside the konjac, and on top of it, there is a spinach and honey mustard. Oh, loving it. Well, interesting. There is some song it's playing over there. Hopefully it's not the copyright music. Anyway, let's keep eating. So I'm not sure what this is. Let me try and eat it. So actually it's a sushi. This is popular style called oshizushi, but they place the yam instead of wasabi. The rice already has a good vinegar taste, so yummy. And this one with miso. Yeah, I'm always good with miso. That's really popular style in Japan. And what is this? It looks like a dessert. Let me try that. いただきます。It was mugwort konjac with ponzu sauce. The flavor of mugwort and the sourness of ponzu sauce, it perfectly matches. Psycho. Well, maybe totally different compared to steak dinner. However, if you want to get the healthy life, maybe you can try that onsen there and then you can eat this yam food. It's kind of my first time to try the vegetarian food in the video, but I love it. Sweet. あ、はい、お願いします。ありがとうございます。美味しかったです。
あ、よかったです。ただこれはね、はい、わらび餅風のこんにゃくでしてますので。
おお、わかりました。いただきます。
また感想を言ってくださってありがたいです。
ありがとうございます。So this is the dessert we got. It looks like a mochi, but it is yam too. And this set comes with coffee. So let's try this warabi mochi style konjac yam. いただきます。おいしい。Very interesting. It is sweet and it tastes like a warabi mochi, but inside there is a yuzu citrus. The citrus flavor, loving it. And it's so good with coffee. Definitely, this is the perfect place to take a rest from the busy life. My life is not that busy though. But anyway, I love it. Yeah, look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad that today's weather is so beautiful. Alright, so we still have more place to see, so let's keep driving. Let's go. Hi, Still, we need to go to the bridge. It's not that far. Before going to the bridge, let's stop by Aragijima Island Rice Terrace. Wow. Those are rice terraces. During the winter time, it will be covered by snow. There is a place where you can sit down. It is a perfect spot for the photo. Alright, so we have to go to the next spot, so let's keep driving. Let's go. The bridge is about 10 minutes away from this place to the west. Oh yes, that bridge over there. Here we go, finally we arrived. Actually, there is a bus stop. And that's a Zao-bashi. Already it looks scary. But let's keep walking. Oh my goodness, this place is shaking already. I came until here, but I don't think I can go there. But I want to share the view though. Maybe I can ask them. Oh my goodness, they are gone. Well, I came here driving motorbike 3 hours, so I definitely got go. Yes, I got go. I got keep going. I got be brave. Hope the wind not gonna blow. Seriously, this place shaking. The bridge is wired, so it's easy to shake, and also you can look down very clearly. If someone are okay with high place, you feel like what the heck Ryan doing, but I'm really scared of the heights. I just want to share the view with you guys because it's beautiful. Okay, I think I'm in the middle. How is it? That's beautiful. Alright, I think that's enough. So let's go back quick. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's shaking. Alright. Whew. After checking the footage, I realized that it was not the middle at all. But I was not brave enough to go back there. So I asked the couple. ちょっとお願いしていいですか。実はですね、ここまで来たのはいいんですけど、怖くて渡れなくて、で、これ持って適当にぐるっと移して戻ってきてもらいたいです。全然いいです。いいですか。一緒に手伝いで行きます。ああ、僕大丈夫です。大丈夫です。So this is the footage that they took it for me. Wow, it's really beautiful. And now I realize that definitely I was not in the middle of the bridge. Yes, they helped me. They are really brave. Well, anyway, I could share the place and also I could make a friend. So I'm happy. Well, I think that's enough, by the way. Look at that. Even that small kids can go. Well, if you are laughing at me right now, try that next time when you come to Wakayama. You will see how scary it is. Anyway, it's almost 5. I should go home now because it will take about 2 hours at the least. So, let's go back to Osaka. Let's go. If you are driving there by motorbike, I strongly recommend to go back before the sunset because some roads are really narrow and bumpy. And also, riding on a motorbike in the sunset time, it's really beautiful too. It's April, but still during the nighttime, cold. I can't wait for the summer. Here we go, we came back to Osaka. It's already get dark, and also I want to use the restroom. So let me take an ending in the Costco garage. Finally, I could use the restroom. Yes, I'm happy. If you want to see more about Japan, I'm a travel photographer. I have taken many photos and posted on my Instagram account. So if you haven't, please check my Instagram account too. Speaking of my channel, there are over 300 videos about food and Japan travel. So if you are thinking of traveling to Japan in the future, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you will not miss my new video and the surprise live stream. So hope you could feel that you travel to Wakayama with me. So hope you liked the video. See you in the next video. Arigato! Bye bye! Yeah, speaking of that bridge, it was really scary. For me, one time was enough there. Yeah, I really enjoyed it though. Anyway, I've taken many photos, so please don't forget to check my Instagram account. So hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Arigato, bye bye, go!